Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Austin Mahone. First time on this channel, I believe, with a song called Withdrawal. So, great song here. Yeah, never heard about him before, actually, and he's big on YouTube, so I thought it was great to highlight this artist here. And this song, very calm and easy chords as well, but that is if you choose to play with a capo, and we will do that. So capo on 6 frets high up to get the high notes we want for this song. So let's start with that, and we have only 3 different chords we need to learn here. So let's go with the chords. We have the first one here, A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B as well, and open E. Alright, it could be hard to get this right with all the fingers here. Try to do that, especially for this song, because we want to have this E here, high E. Sometimes you don't need that, and then you can go just with a bar here on the 2nd fret. But for this specific song here, try to get it like this. All right. The next chord will be B minor. So that's a bar chord. We'll place a bar on the 2nd fret here from the A string down. That means all strings except from the last E here, the bass E here. Okay, so on 2nd. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And we have finally the D here, so that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so I showed you here in the introduction of the tutorial different ways of handling these chords, how to play it. We have one chord progression, okay, and it goes through entire song, and that will be A, B minor, D, and A. So it starts and ends on A. It's 4 chords. A, B minor, D, and A. Alright? So we can do that in different ways. One way is to just go like this. Okay? Just play single notes, 2 rounds per chord. And we will go over that version first now. So for A, you're just gonna hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and 2nd B. So you play 1 short break and then another time there. Okay, so that's the A. For B minor, you hold the chord as it is again, and you play. So you play the 2nd A, 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. In the same way here. Short pause after the final note there, and then you go for a 2nd round. So pause and pause. That's the B minor, and then the D, same way, hold the chord as it is. This time you go from the D string, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Pause and 2nd round, and then you go back to A in the same way. You can do that through entire song, or you can choose to play like this. All right. So you do that in the same way. When you start here, you go the same notes as the first version, but then you don't play the 2nd round, but you will do 1 downstroke that is a little bit muted, like this. You don't want to ring out like this, because you want to mute it a little bit like this. You can mute it with your hand you're doing a downstroke with, just lean on top of the strings, or with the hand you're using on the fretboard here, and just lean up finger on top of the strings like this. All right, so it's up to you, but try to get it muted. And the timing for this will be, you do 1 round first, and then you do, imagine that you do a 2nd round, and as soon as you get to the final note, the second B string in this case for the A chord. In that moment, you will hit that. You do this downstroke. So first round, second round, there you had the final note. So pause, imagine, dun, 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 and there you have the final downstroke there. So that in the same moment as the final note in the second round, that's where you hit the downstroke. So it'll be like this. Pause, pause, down. Pause, 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 down. Pause, 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 down. And alright, so that's the second version, and we will have a third version as well. And the same feeling for this one. Now we'll work with the plain strumming pattern here. So grab the A, and you will play like this. Like this, okay, and then switch chord. This third version here will be the one that I would prefer, like if I would perform this for me, and this is the most fun way of handling the song as well. It happens a little bit more than just this and big pauses like that, so I would go with the strumming pattern. So what you do here is, if you grab the A again, you're gonna work with 6 downs per round. You're gonna play 2 rounds per chord. So on the 4th down, you will hit this a little bit more prominent on the top notes, the downstroke here. The other downs, you will kind of chew a little bit more on the bass string. So imagine 6 downs, and on the 4th down, you're going a little bit louder and full downstroke, and really try to get the high notes down here, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, And yeah, there you have it, guys. 3 versions of Austin Mahone's Withdrawal. So yeah, good luck with this one, guys. Very simple basics, basic here from the chords here: A, B minor, D, and A, and then you just use the formula that works for you, or perhaps some variations here, go back and forth between both strumming or just picking. It's up to you. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.